feeling nervous and I don't know what I say. Don't do this, Paru. No. It is not possible to continuously speak in English 12 hours.
I'm just bored.
Oh, okay. Give me just 5 minutes, okay? Then I will free.
Okay.
And who is the real person?
Hello everybody, I am Darby Doctor. Today is Holi. Papa's Gular ears.
On your cheeks?
No,
Then?
cheeks, no, ears.
I slightly nervous to speak English continuously for 12 hours. It is tough, but I'm trying. The real conversation with my family. Okay, let's see. I am feeling nervous and I don't know what I say. Don't do this, Paru. No. Whenever I start speaking, so my mind always blanks. Always go blank. So what can I do? And who is the real person?
Anyone, you can call to anyone and you can
Okay,
discuss
so
with
you
anyone.
can talk to me.
What type of talking you want? You
Any
can
type
also
of.
daily video on one hour,
No,
audio call.
actually, I decided that today I will speak 12 hours. Happy
Hello
Holi.
everybody, I am Darby Doctor. Today is Holi. I am happy
So I decided today I will speak 12
Holi.
hours in English. And don't throw water on me. Don't do this, otherwise she will start it crying. Why are you speaking in Hindi when I was talking in English?
Hello. She is saying of myself. Galvi Datta self. This is a ballu. In the ear is a ballu. Hello guys. Bye.
I don't know how can I completed my challenge that today I speak with my family in English 12 hours. Oh my god. So now you tell me what call is it? What call is this in English? Why you don't know? Oh my god. This is a heavy bucket for you. Don't pick up. They are playing holy father and daughter. There are so many colors here.
This one is also here. Purple. Purple
This
is
one is
my
purple.
favorite purple.
But
This
you
is
said
my
your favorite pink color.
pink and purple. Both.
Okay.
Because pink and purple is very beautiful.
Yes. So you wanna play with pink color?
Pink color and purple.
Okay.
Purple.
Okay, go and play.
But my papa is not opening this the board.
Okay, I. What happened, baby? Why are you crying?
Papa's gular ears.
On your cheeks?
No,
Then?
cheeks, no, ears.
Yes. So looking so beautiful, girl. Looking so beautiful. Go and say loudly.
You also come.
Okay, I'm coming. Now go and you also do this. Go. Play with Papa. Go fast. Go. Papa wants to play with you, Paru. Go. Actually, she is wet, so that's why she is walking like this. Today is Holi, and she don't want to like throw water because she wet. That's why she is not like this. She is not like it. She always wants to play with her dad.
Go and take a bath, baby.
Which properly, sorry?
Okay.
Eat properly, then go and wash your hand, okay?
Okay.
And finish it all. Farouk, come. Come and finish your cup.
Okay. Mama, what are you doing?
I'm washing dishes, baby.
Okay.
What
So
happened?
sweet. Huh?
What happened?
No, anything.
Okay.
I'm just bored.
Oh, okay. Give me just 5 minutes, okay? Then I will free.
Okay. So sweet, Mama.
Yes, my baby.
Look at me. Look at me.
What happened? Why are you doing this?
Because I'm moving.
But no, Nishona, it is not good.
No, this is a girl.
No, na baby. Shona, go and do your study, na beta. Tomorrow will be your exam, right?
But I have known anything.
What?
What I want to do. Tomorrow.
Just do study, baby.
Okay.
Now I'm cleaning the stand. It is very tough, which I challenge myself because it is not possible to continuously speak in English 12 hours. And right now, 3 o'clock, and I don't know what to say because it's very, hectic whenever I speak with my husband or my kid. So, all the time I translate in Hindi. But always I remember that no, I stop myself and I tell my brain, no, don't translate again, just speak whatever comes in my mind. But it is the best way to improve your English. Which project are you working on it?
Right now I'm creating a logo for creating the logo design for a finance consultancy company based on AI. I'm not sure how they are going to integrate AI with their in consulting, but yes, this is about their company, like how they want to do this.
Okay. In the evening, we will order one maska with tea.
With tea. Why you want to order the tea?
Not tea, we, we will eat with tea one maska
Mhm.
in the evening. Yes.